I'm Matt, this is Mexico, let's talk motorbikes. Brilliant, so we've all met up at the G500 petrol station and we're going to be heading out to the Centro Ceremonial Otomi. First off, we have to face the traffic of Mexico City in the morning, but then we head out the city along the country roads and hopefully things will start moving a lot quicker. Busy morning to start with, so a bit of filtering through the traffic. As you can see, traffic was terrible to start with. I'm not going to bore you with this, so we're just going to do a quick split screen, and as soon as we can, we'll be out in the country. Brilliant, finally out of the traffic and on the highway. So we have with us today, Eric. Mao. And finally, because there's four of us, here comes Charlie. So we've left the city, joined the highway, and you're going to get some great country roads soon. So I love riding through these little villages along the way. You'll come across a number of shops, houses. Need to slow down a little bit, lots of stray dogs running out, so please be careful, we don't want any accidents. Then you're back out, roads build up, and then before you know it, open roads and lots of twisty turns. Sure you agree with me, some amazing landscape, some beautiful scenery and some nice roads. You do have to be careful with the quality of the roads. Potholes are a major problem in Mexico. I know every country complains about them, but you need to be aware that potholes here are incredible. I was taking full advantage of changing positions with filming so that I could ride past my friends, get a few good stills. One of the features I really love about the GoPro is the screen grab. As you can see, for motorbikes, quick turn of the head, catch some friends either side, and then you can create some amazing stills as well. Okay, so we're almost there now. Please do stick around to the end of the video and then you'll get some great footage of the Centro Ceremonial Otomi. Final stretch up the hill. As you can see, some amazing views, open roads. What more could we ask for? Just about to arrive, and then we'll take breakfast and coffee, of course. Thanks very much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed. You know what to do. Click like, subscribe. Thank you very much.